When I heard there was going to be a PopSocket review, I knew it was time for my debut. So I said, step aside, I got this. Step aside. I got this. Hi, I'm Anyone who knows me knows I absolutely love these little guys. They've literally changed my life, and I want to change yours too. So let's check it out. And here it is. This is my real life setup. As you can see from all of the dirt and scratches, I don't use anything else. On the back of my phone, we have both the PopWallet and the PopSocket itself with swappable pop tops to cater to my mood, including the newest PopMirror for when you're feeling self-conscious, which is like most of the time. I mean, is it all kind of chunky? Yeah, but you get used to the added weight in no time when you experience its complete functionality and added convenience in many more ways than one. Installation is simple. Remove the plastic from the sticky mount and apply to surface. If you ever feel like pulling and pushing at something with a different face, twist off the swappable pop top and replace it with any of the other ones that tickle your fancy. Obviously, they fulfill their intended duties of capturing beautiful pictures of ourselves with foolproof stability, but have you ever considered using it as a handle? Hands-free video watching, suppressing your nervous tics, or just fun and games? But best of all, this is why you'll need a PopSocket hair tie holder. Eh? Need one? I got you. Next we have our PopWallet. This detachable card holder comes with a flat mount to attach to your phone. To install, simply remove the adhesive on the back of the mount and firmly press into your phone. Ta-dam! Like all of the PopSockets, the PopWallets are also available in a variety of different colors and patterns and can comfortably hold up to 4 of your cards. For me, it holds my debit, credit, ID, and of course, my Costco membership, because you never know when you're gonna need 30 rolls of toilet paper at family-friendly prices. If you want to remove it, just use a bit of pressure and push onto its right side until you hear it click out of place. Then to put it back, just match up the wallet cutout to the mount until it pops back in. Now it's locked in there pretty good. Moving on, we have the PopSocket car mount, because if you're a driver like me with zero sense of direction, then you're gonna need map accessibility at all times. The car mount is made from a rubbery plastic that easily slides into your car vent with its flexible prongs and holds your phone in a sturdy position via the PopSocket hook. Hey Siri, show me the way to Costco.
One possibility I see is Costco Wholesale on Overley Boulevard.
And finally, the latest and greatest in all things great, the PopMirror. The PopMirror has not only one, but 2 mirrors at 1x and 2x zoom, and it fits to your phone just like any other PopSocket would. It's dismountable to switch over to a different PopSocket face, and the cover is rotatable so you can keep the mirror open at all times. Mascara smudging? Lipstick on your teeth? No problem. Now you can catch it before anyone else does. Or just check yourself out if you're feeling that type of way. Alright, that's all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for having me. Thumbs up if you like this video, and if you have any feedback, share it with us. But be gentle. I'm very sensitive. Until maybe next time, I rest my 3-pound case. Oops.